Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete your Evernote account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. First of all, open up any web browser on a PC. And there on the URL bar, search for evernote.com and press enter on a keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be landed to its official web page. Now from here, tap on login button at the top right of your screen and then type in the credentials required and then get logged into your Evernote account. Once you get logged into your account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now from here you have to tap on the gear icon at the top left and next to your Evernote email address. And once you tap on it, settings box will appear on your screen. Now from there tap on the login and security option and there you will find close your account option. Now tap on that option and then you will taken to the next page where you will be able to see two options: deactivate your Evernote account and close your Evernote account. And now in order to delete your Evernote account, you have to tap on the second option, close your Evernote account. Once you tap on it, this type of box will appear on your screen and here it will give you two options, whether to close my account or to deactivate my account instead. Now to delete your account, tick this circle box which says yes, close my account and then tap on continue button. Now if you want to back up your notes, then you can export your notes in HTML or XML format by following the steps on your screen. Now if you have already backed up your notes, then you need to tick the square box which says I have reviewed the information above, I am ready to close my account, and then tap on continue button. Now it will ask you for the feedback and there you have to enter your password for the verification, and once you type in your password correctly, you have to tick the square box which says I am not a robot. Once you get this tick mark, tap on next button. Now there you will be sent a verification code to the email address that is associated with the Evernote. Now look for the email from the Evernote. Once you get the email from the Evernote, tap and open that email and there you will find 6-digit code here. Copy this code and then paste that code here. Now tap on close account button. And there you go, your account has been permanently closed. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can delete your Evernote account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.